Welcome to Quick Tech. Today's topic is Shopify e-commerce revolution. Shopify leads the way. The internet changed everything. It revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and most importantly, shop. The digital age brought about a new era of convenience and accessibility. Now we shop online every day. It's easy and convenient. From groceries to gadgets, everything is just a click away. Online shopping has become an integral part of our daily lives, offering us endless choices and saving us precious time. But starting an online store? That used to be hard. It required technical know-how, significant investment, and a lot of time. Then came Shopify, a game changer in the e-commerce world. Shopify made selling online simple. It provided a platform where anyone, regardless of their technical skills, could set up an online store with ease. It democratized e-commerce, making it accessible to everyone. Anyone can build a beautiful store, no tech skills needed. With its user-friendly interface and customizable templates, Shopify allows you to create a professional-looking store in no time. It's as easy as drag and drop. Imagine opening a shop without renting a space. No overhead costs, no geographical limitations. You can operate your business from anywhere in the world, reaching customers far and wide. That's the power of Shopify. You reach customers worldwide. With integrated marketing tools and global payment options, Shopify helps you expand your reach and grow your customer base. And grow your business without limits. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Shopify scales with you, offering solutions that grow as your business grows. Shopify is leading the e-commerce revolution. It's not just a platform, it's a movement that's transforming the way we do business. Are you ready to join? Embrace the future of commerce with Shopify and be a part of the digital transformation. The possibilities are endless. Shopify's winning features: simple, customizable, secure. Shopify is easy to use, even if you've never built a website. Choose a theme, add products, and you're ready to sell. Want a unique store? Shopify lets you customize. Change colors, fonts, and layouts. Make your brand shine. Worried about security? Don't be. Shopify keeps your store and customer data safe. You can focus on what you do best: selling. Shopify takes care of the hard stuff. You focus on growing your dream business. Real stories, real success. Shopify users speak out. Shopify changed my life. It's not just a platform, it's a game changer for entrepreneurs everywhere. I turned my passion for jewelry into a successful business. It's so easy to use. Sarah, jewelry designer. Before Shopify, I struggled to find a way to reach my customers. Now I can showcase my designs to a global audience with just a few clicks. The tools and features are intuitive, making it simple to manage my inventory and track my sales. Shopify has truly transformed my business. I was hesitant at first, but Shopify made selling online so simple. My sales have tripled since I started using it. John, bookstore owner. The platform's seamless integration with social media and other sales channels has expanded my reach far beyond my local community. I can now connect with book lovers from all over the world. The analytics tools provided by Shopify have given me valuable insights into my customers' preferences, helping me tailor my offerings to meet their needs. The best part about Shopify is the support. Whenever I have a question, they're always there to help. Maria, clothing retailer. Their customer service team is knowledgeable and responsive, providing solutions quickly and efficiently. Whether it's a technical issue or a question about optimizing my store, I know I can count on Shopify's support team to guide me through. This level of support has given me the confidence to grow my business without fear of running into insurmountable problems. These are just a few of the millions of success stories. Shopify empowers entrepreneurs around the world. From small startups to established businesses, Shopify provides the tools and resources needed to succeed in the competitive online marketplace. The platform's versatility and scalability mean that as your business grows, Shopify grows with you. Join the community of entrepreneurs who have found success with Shopify and take your business to the next level. Pricing for every stage. Finding your perfect plan. Shopify offers different plans to fit your needs. Starting a small business? The basic plan has everything you need. Growing fast? Upgrade to the Shopify plan for more features. There's a plan for every stage of your business journey. Shopify is an investment in your success. And the best part? You get a free trial to try it out before you commit. Your Shopify journey begins. A step-by-step guide. Ready to start selling online? Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Here's how to get started with Shopify, a platform designed to make e-commerce easy and accessible for everyone. First, sign up for a free trial. This will give you a chance to explore the platform and its features without any commitment. Head to shopify.com and create your account. Second, choose a theme. Shopify offers a variety of customizable themes to match your brand's unique style. Select a design that fits your brand. Third, add your products. This is where you showcase what you're selling. Upload photos, write descriptions, and set prices. Fourth, set up payment. Ensuring your customers have a seamless checkout experience is crucial. Connect your preferred payment gateway. Fifth, launch your store. Once everything is set up, it's time to go live. Share your unique link with the world. Promote your store on social media through email marketing and other channels to attract customers. Congratulations! You're now an online store owner. Celebrate your hard work and get ready to manage and grow your new business. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Shopify makes it possible. Shopify is more than just an online store builder. It's a platform for achieving your dreams. You control your brand, your products, your future. Shopify gives you the tools to succeed. Believe in yourself. Take the first step. Your amazing online business awaits. Beyond the basics. Scaling your business with Shopify. As your business grows, Shopify grows with you. Access powerful tools for marketing, shipping, and more. Reach new customers with targeted ads. Offer discounts and promotions. Manage your inventory with ease. Shopify's App Store has thousands of apps. These apps add even more features to your store. Ready to thrive online? The future is yours with Shopify. The world of e-commerce is exciting and full of opportunity. Shopify is your key to unlocking success. With its ease of use, powerful features, and affordable pricing, there's no reason to wait. Start your free trial today. Build the online store of your dreams and join the millions of entrepreneurs thriving with Shopify. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's waiting for you. To join Shopify, link in description. Thanks for watching Quick Tech. Please subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to like and share your views on comment section for more review you want. Special thanks to InVideo AI and Canva. Cheers!